What it meant for me and my family, finding out that my match was on the other side of the world, it was so fascinating to us to realize the one person who could save my life was so far away from us, in a country that none of us had ever visited. What I would say to someone thinking of joining the stem cell registry is that, without a doubt, it is an amazing thing to do. Anyone who has ever considered doing something for another person, or even donating blood, signing up to be a stem cell donor, could be the difference between life and death for so many. What I would like to say to my donor, Chris, is that I don't think he can ever comprehend the enormity of the gift he gave me. And I've thanked him before, and I never feel like my words are sufficient, because the gift of getting a second chance at life is so truly magnificent. But we feel so grateful for the network of people who work at these various registries, who deal with transport, who deal with logistics, who deal even with sign up. Because without every single person, it wouldn't be possible for my donation to have traveled in a plane with a courier across the ocean to get to me. It truly feels like I have gained a new member of my family. The very first time that I met him in person is when he came to the United States to attend my undergraduate graduation ceremonies. I would never have been able to attend and get my degrees without Chris. Join the Welsh Blood Services Registry today, and what starts out as a simple swab kit could turn into a life-saving gift like what my donor gave to me.